Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Learning. Today is not just another lesson. Today is day 30. Can you believe it? 30 days ago, many of you were afraid to say even one English sentence. Today, you are ready to speak for 5 full minutes. Give yourself a big smile because you have already achieved something amazing. Today is your final challenge. Are you ready? Say loudly, yes. Friends, I want to ask you one question. 30 days ago, how many English sentences could you speak? Maybe one, maybe none. Maybe you were scared. Maybe you thought English is not for me. English is difficult. I can never speak English. But today, look at yourself. You are still here. That means you didn't give up. And that is your biggest success. 30 రోజుల క్రితం ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడాలంటే భయపడేవాళ్ళం. ఒక సెంటెన్స్ కూడా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్తో చెప్పలేకపోయాం. కానీ ఈరోజు మనలో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెరిగింది. ఇది చిన్న విషయం కాదు, ఇది ఒక పెద్ద అచీవ్మెంట్. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ ఎ స్మాల్ స్టోరీ. దెర్ వాజ్ ఎ బాయ్. హీ వాంటెడ్ టు స్పీక్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఎవ్రీ డే he watched English videos, but he never spoke. Why? Because he was waiting. He was waiting for perfect grammar, waiting for perfect vocabulary, waiting for confidence. One day, his teacher said something. Teacher smiled and said, "Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking." That one sentence changed his life. The next day, he started speaking only 2 sentences. The next week, 5 sentences. After 1 month, he could speak continuously. Was his English perfect? No. Did he make mistakes? Yes, but he kept speaking. Today, he speaks confidently. Friends, that boy could be anyone. Maybe that boy is you. ఈ కథలో ముఖ్యమైన విషయం ఏంటంటే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ముందు రాదు, మాట్లాడితేనే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది. అందుకే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేయొద్దు. లెట్స్ రిమెంబర్ అవర్ జర్నీ. డే 1, డే 2, డే 3. You learned that English is not difficult in day 1. In day 2, you started making simple sentences. Day by day, you learned common expressions, daily routines, questions, answers, habits, thinking in English, confidence, self-talk, storytelling, role plays, speaking practice, so many things. And today, everything comes together. I want you to close your eyes for 10 seconds. Think, what was your biggest improvement? Maybe you can now introduce yourself. Maybe you can understand English videos. Maybe you are not afraid anymore. That is the progress. Never compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you are 30 days ago. Friends, learning English is like planting a tree. The first day, you don't see anything. After 1 week, still nothing. After 1 month, small leaves appear. After 1 year, the tree becomes strong. English is exactly like that. Practice daily. Results will come slowly, but they will definitely come. Now, we have reached the most exciting part, your final challenge. Today, you are going to speak English continuously for 5 full minutes. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step. You can do it. Take a deep breath, smile, and get ready. This is the moment we have been waiting for. For the last 29 days, you learned words, sentences, daily conversations, thinking in English, confidence, speaking practice. Today, you are not going to listen, you are going to speak. Remember one thing, today is not an English exam. Today is a confidence challenge. Don't worry about the grammar. Don't worry about pronunciation. Don't worry about mistakes. Just to speak, because speaking is more important than being perfect. ఇది పరీక్ష కాదు. ఎవరు మీకు మార్కులు వేయరు, ఎవరు మీ గ్రామర్ని చెక్ చేయరు. ఈరోజు ఒక్కటే లక్ష్యం, మాట్లాడాలి. తప్పులు వచ్చినా ఆగొద్దు, కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. ఎవ్రీవన్ సిట్ కంఫర్టబుల్లీ, టేక్ ఎ డీప్ బ్రెత్, స్మైల్, సే విత్ మీ, ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఇంగ్లీష్. అగైన్, ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఇంగ్లీష్. లౌడర్, I can speak English. Excellent. Now, let's begin. Minute 1. Introduce yourself. Repeat after me. Hello everyone. My name is Venkatesh. I am from Hyderabad. I am happy to be here. Today, I want to speak in English. Earlier, I was afraid, but now I am trying. I am learning every day. I enjoy learning English. I want to become a confident speaker. Thank you. ఇవి చాలా సింపుల్ సెంటెన్సెస్, కానీ ఈ సెంటెన్స్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ని బిల్డ్ చేస్తాయి. నౌ పాజ్ ద వీడియో. స్పీక్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫర్ 1 minute. డోంట్ రీడ్, జస్ట్ స్పీక్. రెడీ, గో. ఇప్పుడు మీరు వీడియోని పాస్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియోని పాస్ చేసి మీరు 1 minute మీ గురించి మాట్లాడండి. దెన్ యూ కెన్ రెజ్యూమ్ ఇట్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇఫ్ యూ మేడ్ మిస్టేక్స్, డోంట్ వరీ, కీప్ స్మైలింగ్. నౌ లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ. రిపీట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీ. ఎవ్రీ మార్నింగ్ ఐ వేక్ అప్ ఎర్లీ. ఐ బ్రష్ మై టీత్. ఐ డ్రింక్ వాటర్. ఐ హ్యావ్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్. దెన్ ఐ గో టు వర్క్. సమ్టైమ్స్ ఐ స్టడీ ఇంగ్లీష్. Sometimes I watch videos. In the evening, I spend time with my family. At night, I read for a few minutes. Then I go to bed. This is my daily routine. మీ రొటీన్ వేరుగా ఉండొచ్చు, పర్లేదు. మీ రొటీన్ చెప్పండి. సింపుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ చాలు. ఇప్పుడు వీడియోని పాస్ చేయండి. స్పీక్ అబౌట్ యువర్ రొటీన్. 1 minute. రెడీ? స్టార్ట్ నౌ. ఎక్సలెంట్. యూ డిడ్ ఇట్. Now, let's tell you a story. Repeat after me. 30 days ago, I was afraid to speak English. I did not have confidence. I translated Telugu into English. Speaking was difficult, but I did not give up. Every day, I practiced. Slowly, I improved. Now, I can speak better than before. I still make mistakes, but I am not afraid anymore. I will continue learning. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీ జర్నీ గురించి మాట్లాడండి. మీ స్టోరీ ఎవరికీ తెలియదు, కానీ మీకు మాత్రమే తెలుసు. మీ ప్రోగ్రెస్ని సెలబ్రేట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు పాజ్ ద వీడియో. టెల్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ జర్నీ. స్పీక్ ఫర్ 1 minute. డోంట్ మెమరైజ్. స్పీక్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ హార్ట్. స్టార్ట్ నౌ. పాజ్ ద వీడియో. Start now. Excellent. Now, let's talk about dreams. Repeat after me. I have many dreams. I want to improve my English. I want to get a better job. I want to speak confidently. I want to travel. I want to help my family. I want to inspire others. I believe in myself. I know I can do it. I will never stop learning. మీ డ్రీమ్ ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. టీచర్ అని కావచ్చు, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్ కావచ్చు, బిజినెస్ కావచ్చు, గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ కావచ్చు, అబ్రాడ్ వెళ్ళాలనే ఆలోచన కావచ్చు. ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది ఒక టూల్ మాత్రమే. మీ కలలను చేరడానికి ఇంగ్లీష్ సహాయపడుతుంది. నౌ పాజ్ ద వీడియో. టాక్ అబౌట్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్. 1 minute. Smile while speaking. Then continue. Now, the biggest challenge. No script, no reading. Just speak. You can talk about your family. You can talk about your village. You can talk about your work. You can talk about your hobbies. You can talk about your friends. You can talk about your English journey. You can talk about your dreams. You can talk about your future. You can talk about anything. Just don't stop. If you don't know a word, use another word. If you forget, continue. Keep speaking. Come on, you can do it. Keep speaking. Don't stop. Mistakes are okay. Smile. Continue. Wonderful. Excellent. Very good. You are speaking English. This is your victory. Right now, some of you are smiling. Some of you are nervous. Some of you are surprised because for the first time you spoke English continuously. Maybe not perfectly, but confidently. That is the real success. Never forget this moment. Today, you proved something to yourself. You can speak English. Believe in yourself. The challenge is almost complete. But before we end this journey, I want to share one final message from my heart. This message is not just about English, it is about your life. Before ending today's class, I want to talk to you not as a teacher, but as a friend. Close your eyes for just 10 seconds. Think about the first day of this challenge. How did you feel? Maybe you are afraid. Maybe you thought, I cannot speak English. I don't have confidence. My grammar is weak. My pronunciation is not good. Some of you even wanted to quit. But look at yourself today. You are still here. That means you didn't give up. And that is your biggest achievement. మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోకపోయినా ఒక గొప్ప విజయం సాధించారు. మీరు ఆపలేదు, మీరు ప్రయత్నించారు. అదే నిజమైన విజయం. Let me tell you one last story. Imagine you plant a small seed. The next day, nothing happens. After 1 week, still nothing. After 1 month, a tiny plant appears. After 1 year, it becomes a beautiful tree. English is exactly the same. Every sentence you practiced, every mistake you made, every video you watched, every time you repeated after me, those were like drops of water for your tree. One day, people will say, your English is very good. They will only see the tree. They won't see the years of practice behind it. So, never stop watering your dream. Let's compare 30 days ago. 30 days ago, afraid to speak, waiting for the perfect grammar, translating Telugu into English, no confidence. But today, you can make sentences, you can introduce yourself, you can answer questions, you can think in English, you can speak for 5 minutes. Isn't that amazing? Give yourself a big round of applause. Many people start learning English, very few continue. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is not talent, it is consistency. You practice for 30 days, that means you already have discipline. Now, don't stop. 1 more month, 3 more months, 6 more months, 1 year. Imagine your English after 1 year, it will be completely different. ఒక విషయం గుర్తుపెంచుకోండి, ఇంగ్లీష్ ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ కాదు, ఇంగ్లీష్ ఒక స్కిల్. సైకిల్ తొక్కడం ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్తో వస్తుందో, స్విమ్మింగ్ ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే వస్తుందో, ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా అలాగే వస్తుంది. ప్రాక్టీస్, ప్రాక్టీస్, ప్రాక్టీస్. Congratulations, you completed 30 days. Now your new challenge begins. Every day, speak English for 10 minutes. Every day, learn 5 new words. Every day, read 1 paragraph. Every day, watch 1 English video. Every day, think in English. Every day, speak with 1 friend. Only 1 hour every day. After 90 days, you will be surprised by your own improvement. Today, you are graduating from this 30-day challenge. Close your eyes once again. Take a deep breath. Say with me, I am proud of myself. Again, I am proud of myself. One more time. I can speak English and I am proud of myself. Excellent. Today, you are no longer a beginner. You are an English learner with confidence. I have a challenge for you. Go to the comment section and write, I completed the 30 days grammar-free English speaking challenge. I will continue my English journey. When you write this, it becomes your promise to yourself, not to me, to yourself. So repeat after me, I believe in myself. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will practice daily. I will never give up. I will think in English. I will speak confidently. English is becoming easier for me. I will achieve my dreams. Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for spending these 30 days together. Wherever you are, whatever your age, whatever your job, never stop learning, never stop dreaming, and never stop speaking English. So this is not the end. This is the beginning of your real English journey. From next week, we will start Level 2 Spoken English course. Real life conversations, office English, interview English, public speaking, storytelling, advanced fluency, daily vocabulary, English for jobs, English for travel, English through stories. Are you ready? Write in the comments, yes, I am ready for the level 2. If this 30-day course helped you, please support the channel. Like this video, share your experience in the comments. Share this playlist with one friend who wants to learn English. Subscribe to Easy English Learning and turn on the notifications bell because our English journey continues. Remember one sentence forever. Fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about speaking without fear. Fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about speaking without fear. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. This is Venkatesh from Easy English Learning. Congratulations once again on completing the 30-day grammar-free English speaking challenge. I will see you in level 2. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Goodbye and see you soon.